Hey there, it's Stephen, Rachel, and Edie, the City of Waynesboro Horticulture crew. Edie is new to our Parks and Rec team and joined us last fall. We are at Millmont Greenhouses planting our annual baskets that we hang in the downtown area for the summer. And we get a lot of great comments, positive comments about the baskets. We're really happy that you all appreciate them so much. So we are going to show you a little bit about how we do it. We have our wheelbarrow full of the potting soil that we use in the baskets. It's packaged really dry, so we have to wet it down before we can use it. We have all the plants laid out here for one basket. It's about 30 plants. As you can see, we like to start with small plugs. That makes the planting easier. This is a basket with the liner in it. We plant most of the plants in the side of the basket, and we'll start at the bottom and work our way to the top, filling the basket with potting soil as we go. We have finished planting our baskets. This is just one greenhouse of two. We have 38 baskets total. We've given them all a good drink of water, and we will be back in a couple of weeks to see how they're growing, and we will update you on their progress.